Hey, what's up, everyone? This is the watch list video for Wednesday, May 26th. Coming off vacation, I've missed 7 trading days in a row, and I'm not sure. I don't like to misspeak, but my memory sucks, so I'm either right or I'm wrong. But I don't think I've missed 7 trading days in a row. Uh, excuse me. In probably maybe 17 years or something. I mean, someone might come back and say, no, you took 2 weeks here. I don't remember doing it, I'll tell you that. It's been a long time. It's always weird to step away from the market, but I'm not going to lie. It was somewhat refreshing to not have to look at the screens and just to step away and not even know if the market was crashing, right? It was pretty nice. I'm going to maybe try to do this once a year because I usually take a vacation, if I'm lucky, every couple years. So feel pretty good. Looking forward to getting back trading now. I'm definitely going to take it a little slower on Monday since I'm out of sync with the market. And it's also tough to make a watch list video when you haven't been trading because every night when I go to make a watch list video, I mean, I look at scans and stuff, but the first place I start is the previous day's list. I don't have that, right? Because my last list was for 8 trading days ago. So, and all those, since I like to focus on the stocks that are in play, all those are pretty much obsolete. All right. Anyway, so I can't comment much on the SPY. It does look like you had a big gap down one day, but it's been climbing ever since. A little reversal today. We'll see. Let's just get to my list. Tomorrow's list should be more thorough than today because I will have, as I just said, a watch list video from tonight to start with before I go into the scans. And one other comment, I just realized I should have extended my vacation 3 more days because this weekend is a 3-day weekend. The market's closed Monday. So I came back for 3 trading days and then I'll be off for 3 days with the weekend and Monday off. So anyway, I didn't plan that very well, but at the same time, the bad thing about being a day trader is it's not like somebody who built an empire, right? Who built a bunch of restaurants or hotel chains or any other business that your products are always selling. A day trader, when you're off work, you're not making money. Swing traders, that's a different thing. Good swing traders can make money, while they're off doing whatever. But for me, I'm in cash every night. So when I'm off having fun, I'm not making any money. So it is time for me to get back to work, right? So AHT kind of caught my eye. Nice volume today and pretty close to a breakout on the daily. Not a big mover on most given days, but I'm definitely going to watch it. EXPR. Now there's a few stocks I want to watch because I noticed in after hours, AMC strong, GameStop strong. So it's all those old Wall Street bets plays, right, that may go together. So that's why EXPR I put on watch when I saw the strength in AMC and GameStop, right? And you have a recent high from a little over a week ago maybe of 412, and then today, intraday at PIRS 4 went to 403 before settling at 394. So potential kind of mini breakout if those stocks go. Anyway, I'll just mention the other two. I just did mention the other two. I'll show the other two. They're both going to be on watch also. AMC. Now, AMC's had a really big 2-day run. So do I want to play it tomorrow? Probably not. But I'm going to put it on watch to just kind of be my barometer for all those Wall Street bets plays that ran together. But again, it's had a big 2-day run. So it's probably smarter to watch this from the short side, but I don't short. Anyway, it'll be on watch. I did get a nice after hours trade. My first trade in 7 trading days. When I saw it pushing through $17, I got it, and I don't know, got 20-something cents a share. But so I've already got my feet wet trading, which is good because then I'll feel a little bit better about tomorrow, right? Anyway, so AMC and GameStop. Here's the other one. GameStop kind of a little mini breakout today. Closed at 209.43, and after hours I think it went over 215. It's trading at 213.88 right now. So that one, and then I'm also going to watch KOSS along with that group. So there's all my Wall Street bets plays. KOSS, kind of interesting today. Decent volume for the stock and trying to break out of a range. Today's high 21.25. Maybe if these stocks get going, this one would look good through 21 tomorrow, knowing that today's high is 21.25, just a little bit above. So there's the WSB, Wall Street bets plays, right? All right, what else? EH. Let me try to type that correctly this time. Not that interesting, right? But it's fallen from 130 back in February, really beaten up on a short report hit type thing, and really found support around $20. Been going sideways ever since. The extra volume caught my eye today. It ran from a low of 21.17 to 24.89, closing well off its highs though. But most of the pop was in the afternoon. So I do like the looks of this one tomorrow for a potential. A lot of shorts in this name. I did take the time to look it up, and it did have a headline that sparked it this afternoon. 8.9 million in the float. Aerospace and defense, China. They make drones, but not small drones, like people carrying drones. And the headline today was about an intra-city drone. From one city to another, I guess. They revealed their long-range VT-30 AAV. So, you know, it's kind of a sleeper pick because it's just kind of sideways. But again, actually, Finviz says 41% short. We don't know if that's true or not, but definitely worth watching, especially if the float is really only 8.9 million. All right, LEDS was on fire when I went on vacation. And then it looks like it did next to nothing for about the time I was gone. It had a nice intraday pop today, all the way to 1124, but closing well off its highs. Still want to watch it. RHE, also kind of the same thing, was on fire when I left and then fell apart, just kind of grinded lower while I was gone. Had a big pop yesterday, 1052 to 1760 intraday before giving a lot of that back. And then today, just a quiet, narrow range day. So I want to watch that one tomorrow for maybe a third day play. PIRS, big pop today, and actually in after hours, this thing broke $6. So anytime you get a big move on good news on a stock, absolutely worth watching in after hours. This probably gave a pretty nice setup in after hours. Anyway, over 6 at one point, now trading at 535. So it's probably going to have a stupid big gap. But, you know, we're going to watch this one for the next several days. It is definitely extended in the short term. Already talked about AMC and GameStop. ANVS looks like it had some massive move. I'm going to double check as I'm talking here and go to Finviz and double check. I think this was, yeah, Biotech USA, 4.1 million in the float. And I think, yeah, Alzheimer's news. I didn't delve in and read the article or anything, but the market sure liked it. And it looks after that on May 23rd, this big pop was on May 21st. On May 23rd, it looks like they did an offering. Gotta love that, right? Anyway, a couple days lower now. Let's see this. Yeah, so it looks like they announced an offering maybe the next morning, and now you've got a couple red days after that. Still, gotta pay attention. Any stock that has a move like this, then a couple red days on declining volume is a pretty handy setup, right? So I definitely want to watch this one. Looks stupid thin though. It always amazes me how a stock can trade 39 million shares, right, out of the blue, when the day before, let me try to get this right, the day before it traded 272,000. So out of the blue, trades 39 million, and then just a couple days later, already only down to 1 million something shares. That's really weird to me, but you see it a lot. Anyway, definitely on watch. All right. Lastly, NBRV, and that's the end of my list. Nothing fancy on the chart, but it's trading at 207 in after hours. So potential gap and go tomorrow. It's good to be back. I'll see everybody in the chat room in the morning, and have a great night.